Hi, I'm Nathan with Outdoorsy, and I'm going to show you how the control panel works on this Mercedes-Benz Revel. So the first thing we'll discuss is this Euroloft bed kit. That's controlled by this small key right here. So what you do, if you want to move it, right now it's in the off position. We stick our key in, we rotate it to the on position, and then you'll see we can take the bed down or up, and then whenever we like it, we can put it in its final position, rotate it back to the off position, and take the key out. Moving on. This is going to control a lot of the heating elements in the Revel. So here we have the system. As you can see also, this is going to turn on the heater in here. We also have a furnace and a hot water heater. When all these lights are on, that means all of those elements are functional. Over here, you can control the heat that's coming out of the vehicle. Up button for hotter, down button for cooler, and then your power button right here. Moving on to here, this is our solar charge controller. This is pretty much going to tell you what's kind of happening with the whole solar system in the van. Right now we're bringing in 13 volts from the solar panels that are then charging the battery down below. This light over here is going to tell you the state of charge in the battery. As you can see right now, we have a pretty significant amount of juice in the battery. Over here is less, and then that's an empty battery right there. If you see this red light on plus this, that means that currently the batteries are charging. Over here we have a place that controls the water pump. So as you can see right now, the water pump's on. And then if I go ahead and hit this button, sometimes you have to hit it twice to wake it up. And sometimes it also takes a sec. So it's on right now, press the button. Now it's off, press the button, back on again. You can also monitor your tank levels here. So if you hit this tank level button, you can see our fresh water tank is at 1/3 and our gray water tank is at 1/3. And finally, you can also monitor the batteries here. So you can see the chassis battery has a voltage of 12.5 and the house battery has a voltage of 12.6. The chassis battery is the one that starts the car and is up in the front of the vehicle. The house battery is the one that goes off of the solar panel and kind of powers the house-like elements within the Revel. This switch right here is for the hot water heater if you are plugged into shore power. So this will only work if you're plugged into shore power and it uses an electric heater rather than a diesel heater, which functions up here with this button. Right here, if you hold this power button, that will turn on the inverter. That's going to turn your DC power that is in the batteries into AC power. You need to have this inverter on and able to be to do things like charge a laptop or any other AC device. Additionally, you'll need to have that on for the AC unit in the back right up here to be functional, as well as you'll need to have the inverter on to use this true induction cooktop right here. And then finally, these last three things are light switches. So as you can see, this one controls the underglow lights under the cabinetry. This one controls the rail lights up top. And this one is a three-way rocker. So this is a low light, off, highlight. And then the same thing with this one over here. This is going to control your light over here in the bathroom. So that's on, high, low. And that is all of the control panel elements.